So she said that she added 3 large scoops of sour cream. I'm gonna add some lechera condensed milk in here, and we're gonna do about, I like it real sweet, so I'm gonna do about 2, almost 3 scoops, hefty scoops. We're gonna add some Molina vanilla extract, and then we're gonna add some sugar, okay? And if you don't want to add the sugar, you don't have to. But like, y'all already know me. Blend this out. We're gonna mix some sugar. Pour some cinnamon in it. Just measure it out how you want. You don't have to mix any, you can just spread. So I am going to mix that. I'm gonna put some cinnamon and sugar at the bottom of our buttered pan. We're just gonna mix it just to make sure that